Repainting a metal roof demands precise surface prep and the correct primers and coatings to prevent adhesion, failure, and corrosion. Start by testing adhesion and surface condition. Use a tape pull test and probe fasteners and seams for hidden rust. Clean thoroughly with a metal roof cleaner that removes chalk, mill scale, oils, and biological growth. Then rinse with low pressure to avoid driving contaminants into seams. Remove loose rust with a wire brush or power tool and treat bare metal with a rust converter where full mechanical removal would damage panels. Apply a metal-compatible epoxy primer or rust-inhibitive alkyd primer to bare and treated areas, feathering onto sound paint to create a strong tie coat. Choose a top coat formulated for metal, such as high-quality acrylic elastomeric or silicone roof coatings that allow thermal movement and resist ultraviolet breakdown. Follow manufacturer dry film thickness recommendations and recoat windows and penetrations in the same chemistry to avoid galvanic or adhesion conflicts. A common mistake is skipping deep cleaning and leaving chalk or contaminants that cause early failure. So always use a purpose-made metal cleaner and verify a clean surface before priming. Another is using a general exterior paint rather than a metal-specific primer and coating, which leads to peeling. So match primer and top coat chemistry and prioritize epoxy or rust-inhibitive primers on corroded spots. People often ignore corroded fasteners and flashings. Replace any corroded screws and reseal flashings before painting so you do not trap moisture and restart corrosion under the new coating. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors to help plan and execute metal roof repainting projects and provides resources on products and step sequences for exterior house painting. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share real-world experiences and practical tips.